everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video, and I know I always say I'm excited, but listen, I get products that I am excited to try on. Today I'm particularly excited. I am particularly excited because today is all about Pat McGrath Mothership V palette. Yes. So if you'd like to see some arm swatches, if you'd like to see what's on my eyes, what's on my lips, how this all came together, just keep watching. But first, as always, I'm Bree, and I'm the owner of Breezy Tea, along with my husband, and we make hair products that fight frizz, lock in moisture, and protect your hair with style. I'm actually rocking our red Satin Lined Beanie. There's a color in the palette, a beautiful red color, that I wanted to pay homage to today, so that is why I chose the red one. And my natural hair is all twisted up, and I don't feel like taking it down today. So it's a nice way to cover my twists and keep my hair out my face while I apply makeup. Okay, so that's a little bit about our business. Now let's get into these arm swatches, and then we're gonna try it on the eyes. So these are the swatches for the Mothership V palette. Skinshow Divine Glow, Entrapment, which is a matte, Bronze Blaze, Rose Gold 005, VR Fire Opal. Next is Xtreme Aubergine, which is also a matte, Guilty Pleasure, Disobedient, which is the last matte, Blitz Flame, which is the fabulous red color, and Astral Luna Gold, which looks white in the pan, but as you can see, it's not. So these are the swatches for the Pat McGrath Mothership V palette. So this is the beautiful Mothership V. So there are 10 pans of shadows. We've got a beautiful red, we've got a deep plum matte, we've got a lot of sparkle going on. Gives me festive, gives me Christmas, gives me luxury. And if you don't know who Pat McGrath is, where have you been? She is arguably the most famous makeup artist, the best makeup artist in the world. A lot of other makeup artists have studied underneath her and have become great in their own right. She's been doing this for decades. She's worked with everyone, and her company, Pat McGrath Labs, has recently gone over $1 billion, been valued at over $1 billion. So she's just somebody who I admire greatly, especially in this beauty industry, a Black woman who is knocking down doors left and right. So we love her. She is a luxury brand. As a makeup artist, as you can imagine, who better to know the best products to go on the face than somebody who's been in this game for a really long time. So we love Pat McGrath. We love her. And yeah, I just wanted to show you the palette open, and now I'm gonna get them on my eyes. I can't take it anymore. Let's go. Hey guys, so I just went in with some mascara, and yeah, I just wanted to talk about these shadows. Seriously, nothing I own is like a Pat McGrath eyeshadow, okay? I've not tried Natasha Denona's yet, and that's the only one that I've heard other people compare it to. I will soon, but I haven't tried it yet myself. It's just so beautifully pigmented. You saw as I put it on my eyes, a little bit just does so much work. I'm not digging in the pan. I'm just kind of passing my brush over the different pans, and this is what comes out. I just really love it. I cheated just a tiny bit off camera. I used my finger to just put a tad bit more of the red on my eyes because I wanted to see how it performed, and as I thought it would. It just gave a little extra oomph. So if you've seen any of my other videos, I don't play around with big bold colors. That's just not me. It's not my everyday life. So I try to buy palettes always that I'm going to use with colors that I want to use. This red obviously spoke to me. If I'm going to do a bold color, this is how I'm going to do a bold color. I absolutely love this, and it's surrounded by that eggplant color that does not look eggplant on camera or off camera. I'm absolutely loving that. You could see brown, you can see black, you can see, and it's eggplant. So it's just diverse. And when you're blending, which I'm obsessed with, but as you're blending, whatever colors on your lid will get in a little bit, and that'll change the inflection of that purple. I'm obsessed with this look. I didn't want to take the purple under my eye only because I wanted to try it as many as I could. So I took that brown color, and I think it looks perfect with this look. You can't tell it's seamless. It's just a little bit lighter than the eggplant. Happy girl. Happy girl. She has a few golds in the palette. There are only 3 mattes, and then the other ones are shimmers. There's a more chunky one. I don't want to spoil anything. Well, you've seen the swatches. They're deceptive. They're deceptive. What they look like in the pan is not what they look like on, which is really a fun surprise. Even having seen pictures of it, still a fun surprise to realize what you think you're gonna see is not quite what you get. So yes, it looks like a lot of golds. The golds are so far apart. They're so far apart that, trust, they're far apart. So we're gonna finish off the look with Miss Pat McGrath's Flesh 3 lipstick, okay? We're just gonna finish it. This daggone, this is so heavy, this darn, I don't know, like, is this travel friendly? But then you don't wanna leave it at home, but you know, it's heavy though. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Flesh 3, the lipstick. This too, honestly, her lipsticks, without a doubt, are like nothing I've ever felt on my lips. It feels like suede. It is the most fabulous, absolutely fabulous formula lipstick. If you've not tried Pat McGrath lipsticks, I cannot recommend them highly enough. Not even kidding. As you saw, that was like a single swipe. It wasn't too much going. You don't have to do much going back and forth. This is the pigment with very little product, very little effort. This is the pigment. Again, I don't wear red lipsticks, but there's something about this one. It's showing up a little brighter on camera. It's a little less bright off camera, but suede. Suede. You do not know anything is on your lips going on. It feels like there's a piece of little lint, but going on, it feels like suede. Once it's on, you don't even realize it's on your lips. So there's a lot of red going on this look, but I'm not done yet because I want to use the Flesh 4 lip gloss on top of this just to give it a little shine, Just gonna get a little. Boom. And as you can see, the same is true of the lip glosses. One swipe, you're good to go. Love this stuff. This is Flesh 4 lip gloss. Living for this eyeshadow. Absolutely living for my Pat McGrath lipsticks and lip glosses. And yeah, and I'm typically in a liner, so to not have a liner, okay, love it. Absolutely love it. That's it. I don't know what else to say. So that is officially it for me, guys. This is a lot of red. Okay, I'm not used to all this red, but that's one of the fun things about this channel is I'm forcing myself to kind of jump outside my comfort zone just a little bit and through makeup, so it's okay. So I'm liking the look. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, follow, subscribe, leave a comment, do all those good things. And if you'd like to check out any of our satin lined beanies, any of our t-shirt hair towel wraps, any of our satin lined knit beanies because the cold is coming soon, any natural hair teas, satin and anka to sleep scarves, and more, just visit us at breezytea.com. If you'd like to come hang out on social media, we are Breezy Tea Towels 1 on Instagram and Breezy Tea Towels on Facebook and Twitter. So I'll see you guys in the next video where I'll be talking hair, makeup, who knows, something in the beauty world. See you then. Ciao for now. Bye.